Hello friends, second experiment from the physiology major is to study the effect of temperature and the solvent on the permeability of the cell membrane. For this our requirements is the petals. So we have taken the petals. Look here, these are the vinca petals are there. So why we have chosen petals? Petals are very sensitive to the certain type of the temperature or certain type of the chemicals. That's why we have chosen these petals. Now look, in a water, this is the water, and in water we have put some flower petals inside the test tube. Now we are heating this test tube. Now this is the first number. We have put ice cold water in a test tube number 1. Second, this is the test tube. We have heat near about the 50 degrees centigrade, okay, in a water bath. Then another we have heat it in a 30 degrees centigrade. This is the test tube. In this test tube contain the tap water. And another one, this test tube we have added ethyl ether. Look here, we have added the ethyl ether, and last one we have added the alcohol. So two solvent we have used here. One of them is the ethyl ether is there, another is the very pure form of the alcohol. Okay friends, what is the permeability? Permeability is nothing but a plasma membrane is selectively permeable to the different types of the solvent, or it shows its reflection with respect to the external agency which is they are get encounter, because it is the external agency. So first what happened there, when I have put this test tube in ice cold water, there will be no response. When I have put it in the 30 degree centigrade, no response. In case of 70 degree centigrade, some of the color, petals becomes colorless. Okay, and last one, when we will put it into the organic solvent, look here, in organic solvent all the petal colors becomes colorless. It becomes the colorless. Look here, all petals, these are the vinca petals I have taken, and all these petals becomes colorless in where, when I have used 70% of the 70 degree centigrade temperature and again the organic solvent. So what this indicates, that we know that our plasma membrane theory, two models are there, bilayer model, lipid bilayer model, and another is the fluid mosaic model. Okay, in that condition, this fluid mosaic model is made up of lipids as well as the proteins. Proteins are embedded in the sandwich of this particular lipid. So what happens, when you will increase the temperature, it will lose its integrity. If you put plasma membrane in a chemicals or solvent, it will lose its integrity. So this shows that plasma membrane lose its integrity when we will increase the temperature, and another one we will put it in a very concentrated solution. So that is the purpose of this experiment. And friends, utility of this experiment which shows that certain plants are sensible to the heat, so that's why they contain the heat shock proteins. Okay, so this is all for this experiment. Question can be asked regarding the permeability of the plasma membrane, effect of the plasma membrane, or response of the plasma membrane to this stress. So it also comes under the stress physiology. Thank you very much.